is of beans, and it's actually the last beans that we got for the year that I know of. So we're gonna try to finish up bean harvest today, and then if we get done with that, we'll be moving on to corn today. Alrighty, this is the first load of this field going into the grain cart right now. And then we'll try to catch M&M because he's got the other combine. He ought to be getting full anytime soon. Now we're getting our load from M&M. This is our second load. We are at 20,600, 800 pounds. And I think, we're gonna have to change the name. What I mean by name is, I don't know if you can see it, John Home Beans. That's where we did John's house. And then to change that, we need to go to field, and then we're gonna click down, and then we're going to click the last name, and then what crop we're doing, and you go back up at field and it changes it. That way when I unload, this tells me how much that I've unloaded out of this cart. Well, if I unload this cart and it's under John's, that means we took more beans out of John's than we actually did, and we don't want that. That'll throw our numbers off. So you change the last name, and then when I unload, so say if I was to unload a truck right now, it'd be 27.5. Well, that's this. Then it would be 27.5, and then say I had 60,000 the next load, then it would be 87.5, and it adds it up to show you how much you have.
Get closer. There we go.
What we got going on, bub?
I've been chasing combines.
Chasing combines?
That's right.
That's right. That driveway isn't big at all for this semi. Managed to get it in, now we gotta get her out.
Hey, take that header and just park it out there where we had them before. I can come up to the shop.
That was my plan. Alrighty, so Bub is in the grain cart. Should be popping in my ear mirror any time. Yep, there he is. I'm taking the header, and we had finished the beans. We are going to change the concaves and the combine, and then we're going to start shelling corn for today.
18. Boom.
That's right. As you can see, these are the ones we're putting in. Those are the ones we took out. A little bit different. Just gonna say, if something explodes or something happens,
We
this is
gonna
on
get
you.
her on camera, boys.
That's right. That's right.
Here's the thing.
It's gonna shake.
No, the cart gets lighter as I start taking weight off.
So she goes up.
Yeah, the tracks don't do too bad. If this was tires, it'd really go up, but it does go up a little bit. It'll be alright.
It'll be alright.
Alright, just close your eyes and drop.
That's about it.
Yeah.
Think you can go full bore? All the way.
Not with this dry corn. Nope. Nope. I'm in a can. I don't really want to shovel.
Really?
I want to shovel.
Ain't no different than any other time.
What are you talking about?
Full bore is where you take that slide and push it all the way up with a lever over there. It's pretty dark. Be alright. And that controls how fast the corn comes out. You gonna trickle back, or what's the plan? Nope.
Nope, let her trickle out, shut it off. Roll away.
How many pounds we got?
60,680, I think.
There it is. 60,680 pounds is what we dumped. And there's still 1,160 on it now.
Yeah, we could have got her on there, but why? Why?
Why?
Yeah,
I don't know.
Why? It takes
It's
so
all
much
good.
time.
Still moving. Alrighty, so we always write the weights down.
Yep.
And keep track of every truckload. So like the first load that came out of this field was 62,020 pounds, then 60,000, and so on and so forth down through here. And the latest load we put on was 60,000, what, 680?
Yep.
60,680. And we just keep track till we're done. Well, we finally got to shelling corn. Now we have to stop. He's got a vibration. That's not good. Not good at all. So plans changed. Bub's gonna ride with John. I'm gonna take the cart. Oop. We're gonna try to figure out what's wrong with this thing. Bub's gonna ride and see if he can hear. And yeah. But it's never good to ever hear a noise in something like that. Especially after he's ran a combine for, I don't know how many years, too many. Is she still running?
No, we got something going on. We can't figure it out. I got Carson there with me now, getting another set of eyes and ears on it, but I don't know. I don't know what it is. It's in the throat or the head, one of the two. It's not in the machine itself.
That ain't good. I just stopped on a dime, and the head's like not moving. Yep, something broke. We're gonna go check this out. Everything's intact here. There's just stuff everywhere. First of all, ouch. See what's in here. It just, cause that's where I heard that noise when he hit it on the ground, but I don't know if it was a stalk. Yeah, it was a stalk.
We could do those or do these bolts. That one's chewed up though.
Yeah, this thing's broke too.
They'll be metric, probably 18.
That's what we was just saying, 18. Yeah, she's not opposed to
Watch
be
your
that.
fingers.
Well, as you've seen in that last clip there, actually I'm currently headed home. But as you've seen in that last clip, the U-joint in the drive shaft snapped, and that drive shaft is what runs the throw. And when that snaps, then the throat doesn't run, and then when the throat doesn't run, the head don't run, which means you can't pull corn into the combine. So that's a pretty big deal. Bub, he is going to fix it. Him, John, all of them is going to fix it while I'm at school tomorrow. And then by the time I get back, it should be fixed if we can get parts. And then we'll get back to showing corn. So I'm going to stop this video here. I appreciate you all for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next one.